तुम बाहर की दुनिया से कट ऑफ हो जाते हो बिकॉज आप 12 से 14 घंटे आप सेट पे होते हो। कुछ एक्टर्स हॉस्पिटल में थे, वहां पे उनको ऐसे खड़ा करके उनके क्लोजेस लिए जा रहे हैं। मुझे डेंगू हो गया था, आई वाज डूइंग दिस रियलिटी शो कॉल्ड, तो मेरे प्रोड्यूसर्स आ गए थे फ्लावर्स लेके, व्हेन आर यू कमिंग बैक?
So now in 2019 when you hit a reboot button, what do you do differently? Hello and welcome to the comment section. My name is Abbas और आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं वो एक ऐसे एक्टर हैं जो हालांकि इंडस्ट्री के इर्द गिर्द बड़े हुए बट हिज पेरेंट्स वर नॉट एक्टर्स। उनके फादर एक बहुत ही रिनाउंड नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर थे एंड हिज मदर वॉज अ थिएटर एक्टर। उन्हें बहुत कम उम्र में एक्टिंग का बग काट गया और बहुत ही यंग एज में उनको एक्टिंग का शौक लग गया और एक बहुत ही यंग उम्र में उन्होंने फिल्म भी कर डाली। But then along the way he got into television, OTT, he learned graphic design, he became an MBA and also learned music. तो इन्होंने घूम फिर के जो है creative endeavors में बहुत कुछ किया है। But at the end of the day it was his spiritual calling that came to him, जिसकी वजह से वो अपने आप को एक बेहतरीन एक्टर समझते हैं, बेहतरीन इंसान समझते हैं। आज के हमारे गेस्ट हैं मिस्टर ध्रुव चौधरी, जो पहले एक दूसरे नाम से जाने जाते थे, अब एक दूसरे नाम से जाने जाते हैं। But it was a very interesting conversation to talk to him and about his life. So let's get into the conversation right now. Dhruv, welcome to the comment section.
Thank you.
It's a great pleasure to have you with us. You've had a very interesting journey so far that is in front of me right now.
Yes.
जिसके connection में मैं आपसे बहुत सारे सवाल पूछूंगा.
जी.
But you've been in the industry for almost 2 decades now.
Yeah, 2 decades.
तो 2026 में if I was to ask you how does Dhruv Chaudhary feel about his life, about his career, आप कैसे जवाब देंगे?
I think I'm very excited. Excitement अभी भी बहुत है. कंटेंट जैसे अभी आ रहा है, आई थिंक पोस्ट कोविड जो कंटेंट में जो कंसंट्रेशन हुआ है हमारा, आई थिंक दैट्स मेड अ बिग डिफरेंस. इट गेट्स मी एक्साइटेड एज एन एक्टर दैट यू नो कि देयर सो मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज नाउ दैट यू नो जो मैं एक्सप्लोर करना चाहता हूँ. Talking specifically about acting, I used to have these phases where I used to think like, you know, especially when I was doing TV.
Right.
तब वो ऐसा होता था कि यार क्या चल रहा है यार, you know. But फिर कुछ inspirational role आ जाता था. I remember Rockstar inspiring me a lot.
Okay.
When I saw Rockstar, I was like यार ये काम करना है, ऐसा काम करना है. So that, but now the kind of content which is coming now, वो देखकर you know it's बहुत inspiring है यार.
Okay.
So I don't feel, you know, that I'm 2 decades old. I just feel that I'm just starting out.
Nice. You remember the first spark जो आपके दिमाग में गया था, जैसे आपने बताया आप रॉकस्टार से इंस्पायर हुए. The first moment where you were like, this is what I want to do. I want to be an actor.
तो मेरा ना जर्नी बहुत अलग है.
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरे जो फादर हैं वो एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हैं.
Okay.
तो he used to work for Films Division, which was Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. तो ही इज़ द ओनली गाय इन इंडिया, नॉट मेनी पीपल नो अबाउट हिम, जिन्होंने 14 नेशनल अवार्ड जीते हैं फॉर हिज फिल्म, 14 years in a row.
Okay.
तो मेरा एक्सपोजर टू इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा बहुत ज़्यादा था.
जी.
तो बचपन से तो माय फादर वाज अ लिएजन ऑफिसर फॉर इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल. अभी तो जियो का इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल होता है, लेकिन तब माय डैड यूज्ड टू ऑर्गेनाइज इट.
Amazing.
सो बचपन से मतलब हम लोग, मैं कॉलेज बंक करके मैं मूवीज देखने जाता था और सब इंटरनेशनल फिल्म्स. तो मेरा एक्सपोजर इतना था टू इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा. तो you know, तो दैट इंस्पिरेशन, एंड माय मदर इज एन एक्ट्रेस, वाज अ थिएटर एक्ट्रेस. शी इज वर्कड, उन्होंने ए.के. हंगल, अमजद खान, बलराज साहनी, बड़े बड़े नामों के साथ काम किया. इप्टा करके एक थिएटर ग्रुप है. तो उन्होंने इनफैक्ट रिसेंटली आई पिक्ड अप एन अवार्ड फॉर हर फॉर वन ऑफ हर शोज. तो बचपन से ना मेरी मदर ना मुझे स्कूल में ना बहुत इनकरेज करती थी. और मेरा स्कूल भी ऐसा था, कम्बाला हिल हाई स्कूल, आई वुड लाइक टू टेक द नेम, जो एक पारसी स्कूल था, टाउन में है, साउथ बॉम्बे में. वहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर में इतना कंसंट्रेशन होता था. मीन स्पोर्ट्स हो, सिंगिंग हो, एक्टिंग हो, तुम्हारा पेंटिंग हो, इतना होता था दैट आई हैव डेवलप्ड ऑल दोज आर्ट्स. राइट नाउ इफ यू आस्क मी, आई एम अ सिंगर, आई कैन एक्ट, I can paint, I can sculpt. You know, वो सब जो नींव थी वो तब पड़ गई थी मेरे अंदर कि you know from my school days. Karishma Kapoor was part of Kambala High School. I've done a play with her when I was younger.
Right.
So from there my journey started from acting.
Do you remember what her role was and what
No,
your
I
role
don't. I was too young. But I remember कि उन्होंने मुझे जूनियर सेक्शन से पिक करके गए थे सीनियर सेक्शन के प्ले के लिए.
अच्छा.
Because वो किरदार चाहिए था उन्हें.
जी.
So they had taken me for that one. I was good that time also.
Yeah.
So I believe so. So
कुछ तो वजह रही होगी कि वो आपको ले गया.
कुछ तो हुआ होगा. So that वो I think that was my start point.
Okay. So you grew up.
I grew up like
exposed
that.
to the arts.
I grew up
Yeah.
exposed to the. You know, I heard my father discussing films.
Yeah.
I heard.
That's very interesting. So tell me some of the earliest memories you had with your dad watching films, considering you were exposed towards.
You know, he was a man of stature. मतलब he was a CEO of Children Film Society.
Right.
He was a deputy chief producer of film
Yeah.
television as well. तो उनकी रिस्पेक्ट ही कुछ और थी.
जी.
मतलब लोग उनसे इतना डरते थे कि where he used to walk, people used to be like in attention कि you know he had that kind of an aura.
What I'm trying to get at is कि वो पूरी दुनिया को फिल्में दिखाते थे, तो अपने घर में अपने बच्चों को कौन सी फिल्में दिखा रहे थे?
International films.
Right.
We grew up on his documentaries. उन्होंने एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाई थी फ्रेम विद इन द फ्रेम.
Okay.
हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा.
Right.
जहाँ पे भी आपको मौका मिले प्लीज एवरी एक्टर एवरी डायरेक्टर शुड वॉच दैट डॉक्यूमेंट्री. मतलब आलम आरा के जमाने से उन्होंने कैच किया था पूरा. उन्होंने 75 years of Indian cinema cover किया. He won a national award for that also. तो I mean my exposure was that.
Exactly, yeah.
I
Pretty
knew.
daunting.
So I came from there, and to have a father who was into the arts,
Right.
and he himself जब उन्होंने वो FTI है, तो उन्होंने एक्टिंग भी की थी, डायरेक्शन भी सीखी थी. जब उन्होंने FTI छोड़ा था, he was working with राजश्री as a writer.
Okay.
Then he shifted क्योंकि वो दौर था कुछ गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स का दौर था. So luckily he got a job in a place जहाँ पे वो अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते थे. तो मेरा एक्सपोजर वो था. तो जब मैंने एक्टिंग शुरू की, he knew I wanted to become an actor.
Okay.
उनको पता था.
Okay.
In fact, I had told him that no, I want to study.
Right.
So he didn't expect that, but I told him after my graduation कि मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
जी.
तो मैंने जाके अपनी MBA कंप्लीट कर ली.
Okay.
I started working with Ogilvy and Mather also
Okay.
for 2 years.
Right.
लेकिन he knew that eventually मेरा रास्ता यहीं आना है.
हाँ.
So he was very open to it. He was very fine with it. He's very encouraging. My mother and my father both.
Were you a bright kid in school?
I was an average kid in school, but then I was very good with my studies.
Right.
I would say above average. I still have the hunger for learning. I continue to do that. Like 3 years back, I completed my graphic design
Nice.
course.
Right.
So I'm a graphic designer.
Okay.
I'm like a polymath actually.
Yeah.
I do multiple things.
At this point, it'll be easier to list out things you're not than what you are.
Yeah, there are a lot of things.
Yeah.
So many people ask me, are you confused? I said, no, I'm not. I said, I'm not confused.
Right.
I said, I'm an actor first. I'm an actor first.
So considering your mom is from theatre और आपके father documentary films बनाते हैं,
जी.
these two things aren't considered the streams of filmmaking जहाँ लोग बहुत lavish lives जी सके, right? Even though theatre is considered as very a core of acting, documentaries portraying reality on screen, लेकिन mainstream हिंदी सिनेमा या सिनेमा की जो perception है उससे काफी अलग है ये दोनों चीजें. So when you decide to become an actor, is it the aspiration to become a hero, or do you get the idea कि नहीं, actor is something different, the star is something different?
तो जब हम छोटे होते हैं तो वो एक हीरो का कॉन्सेप्ट तो बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है. अब वो हीरो बनना है. और मेरी शुरुआत भी वैसी हुई थी.
अच्छा.
I was picked up by Dev Sab. So I'm a Glad Rags model as well.
Okay.
So I had come runners up in Glad Rags. I was featured in the magazine. तो देव साहब ने मेरी पिक्चर देख ली मैगजीन में. तो ही कॉल्ड मी. उन्होंने 4-5 और लड़कों को बुलाया था. तो आई वाज अ हीरो फॉर लव एट टाइम स्क्वायर. आई वाज हार्डली 19-20 जब मैंने डेब्यू किया था एज अ हीरो. तो वो जब आप छोटे होते हो ना, तो वो हीरो को ख्वाहिश रहती है, मुझे हीरो बनना है, मुझे झाड़ों मतलब पेड़ों के पीछे भागना है. तो वो रहता है. बट आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं मेरी एक कोर इंस्टिंक्ट एक हमेशा से शुरू से एक एक्टर की रही है.
Okay.
इट्स ऑलवेज बीन एज एन एक्टर, नॉट एज कि मुझे स्टार बनना है.
Right.
इट्स लाइक मेरा अभी भी एंडीवर रहता है कि मैं एक रोल को कैसे मैं बेस्ट कर सकूं एज एन एक्टर.
जी.
अगर मैंने वो चीज़ अचीव की, देन आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. आई फील आई हैव अचीव्ड समथिंग. सो या, एंड आई थिंक आई लाइक टू ऑल्सो पॉइंट आउट कि इसमें जो वो सारी ख्वाहिशें तो पूरी हो गई। टीवी में बहुत खुश ये ख्वाहिशें पूरी हो गई थी, रनिंग अराउंड ट्रीज, गाना गाना टीवी में मैंने भरपूर किया है वो। मतलब इतना वो ओवरवेल्म्ड हो गया हूँ मैं अभी वो सब चीज़ों से, हीरोइन की आंखों में देखना वो सब कर चुका हूँ अभी मैं। बट आई थिंक दिस फेज इज वेरी डिफरेंट। ये फेज ऐसा है कि आई एम लुकिंग फॉर some good meaningful stuff.
So most of your 2000s, you'd say you spent in television, in daily soaps?
Yeah, it was a mix. Yeah,
Okay.
but mostly television.
Okay. Now I've heard बहुत लोगों से जो daily soaps करते हैं, it's a very daunting lifestyle के you have to really sort of dedicate a good part of your life to this, क्योंकि आपको हर दिन शूट करना होता है सुबह से शाम तक. So even though you're getting good money and the pay is good, you're really saying no to a lot of things for this, right?
बिल्कुल.
So पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए कि how was that life, considering like you said कि आपने सब कुछ कर लिया डेली सोप की जिंदगी में. And the second thing, there is this perception डेली सोप की एक्टिंग नहीं होती है. वो तो जैसे कोई ऑफिस जाता है 9 से 5 वो हो रहा है. You're not doing the authentic artistic acting.
हाँ जी.
So what's your take on that?
तो हाँ वो रिग्रेस तो है बहुत.
Okay.
मतलब तुम बाहर की दुनिया से कट ऑफ हो जाते हो, बिकॉज आप 12 से 14 घंटे आप सेट पे होते हो. अगर आप लीड हो तो फिर तो चांस ही नहीं है. मतलब आप 30 के 30 दिन आप शूट कर रहे हो. एक दिन मतलब आपको मिल गया फ्री तो मतलब वो यू आर वेरी लकी. मतलब मैंने तो ऐसे सिनेरियोज देखे थे कि कुछ एक्टर्स हॉस्पिटल में थे, वहां पे उनको ऐसे खड़ा करके उनके क्लोजेस लिए जा रहे हैं. सो वो भी हुआ है टीवी में. और जब when I started out of that time in TV, तब वही चल रहा था.
The peak of daily soaps.
मतलब मुझे याद है कि मुझे डेंगू हो गया था. I was doing this reality show called जरा नच के देखा. तो मेरे प्रोड्यूसर्स आ गए थे फ्लावर्स लेके कि recover soon. When are you coming back? The message was when are you coming back? I was like okay. So ऐसे पूछ तो लो अच्छी तरह कि ऐसा बचूंगा कि नहीं बचूंगा. That was very serious. My blood platelet count had dropped to 12,000.
Right.
And they're telling me like, when are you coming back? But that was the reality.
Yeah.
I don't mind it. That was मतलब वो need थी यार TV की. Coming to the second part in terms of see यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि टेलीविजन एक इतना अच्छा स्कूल है ना. वो आपको इतना मंजा हुआ एक्टर बना देता है कि आपको 3 बजे भी कोई नींद से उठा के रात के 3 बजे भी उठा के बोलेगा भाई तू 10 पेज का सीन कर ले, तुम कर लोगे.
अच्छा.
इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम एज एन एक्टर यू डोंट गेट मच टाइम टू प्रिपेयर.
राइट.
सो वहाँ पे आई बिलीव क्रिएटिविटी कहीं मार खा जाती है. अभी मैं OTT और फिल्म्स कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे पता है कि मेरी प्रिपरेशन बहुत अलग होती है. लाइक टीवी में मुझे क्या होता है कि मुझे 10 मिनट पहले स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है कि भाई रेडी कर लो और यू परफॉर्म द सीन. तो आप अपने हिसाब से करते हो
जी.
बट एक जब आप एक फिल्म या OTT के लिए शूट करते हो तो आपको पहले स्क्रीन प्ले दिया जाता है. आपके सीन्स पहले आपके पास आते हैं. आपके डिस्कशंस होते हैं डायरेक्टर के साथ कि उनका विजन क्या है, आप क्या कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. फिर आपके नोट्स लिखे जाते हैं. अभी मैं प्रिपेयर करता हूँ तो बहुत अलग. लाइक आई राइट नोट्स, आई राइट बैक स्टोरी. इस सीन से पहले कौन सा सीन हुआ, द 7 whys that why am I doing this scene, everything बहुत स्टडी जाती है अभी. इट्स नॉट लाइक जस्ट देखा और कर लिया. सो यस आई बिलीव सो क्रिएटिविटी कहीं ना कहीं मार खाती है टीवी में, बट वो नेचर है बिजनेस का.
Okay.
People are not looking for creativity. They're looking that you show up on set, you act, and the episode goes on. As soon as possible. They don't care. तुमने अच्छा एक फंबल भी मार दी, they don't care. उसका क्लोज लगा देंगे. It's like that. So I feel, but for a purist, yes.
I mean, I'm trying to think कि अगर कोई एक्टर स्टेज पर एक मोनोलॉग देता है
जी,
तो उसकी अहमियत ज़्यादा समझी जाती है कि भाई उसने तो ऑडियंस को अपने ग्रास्प में ले लिया और कोई उसका मुकाबला नहीं है. एज कम्पेयर टू लेट्स से समवन इज डूइंग अ सीन इन अ डेली सोप, वो कहेंगे कि भाई वहाँ तो तुमने लाउड म्यूजिक लगा दिया, 4 कैमरा एंगल्स लगा दिए, तो they've covered your shortcomings.
Yes.
Right. So I tried to understand that isn't it a little unfair to the television actor that
no, it is unfair because but I think television actors जो सीखता है ना सेट पे, it's mind blowing.
Okay.
मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है अगर आप फिल्म सेट पे जाओ, सपोज अ सीन इज जस्ट फ्रेशली कम आउट फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन,
Yeah.
maybe a creative call, he's the most prepared actor to do that scene. Otherwise if you take anybody, उसको टाइम लगेगा प्रिपेयर करने में, टेलीविजन एक्टर को टाइम नहीं लगेगा प्रिपेयर
जी.
इतना मन जाता है. आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड. मतलब टू रिमेंबर योर डायलॉग्स, तुम्हें 10-10 पेज मिलते हैं याद करने के लिए, तुम सीख जाते हो कि क्या करना है, यू नो, आप फंस भी जाते हो उसमें कि यू नो इट्स ब्रिलियंट.
Okay. So you do television after having done a film, right? You said Dev Saab had picked you up. and
Yeah,
you
so
already done a film.
I had done TV.
Right.
I had done 2 films.
Right.
एक मैंने देव साहब के साथ की थी, दूसरी फिल्म थी विद कतमलाल आजमी कॉल क्यों.
Okay.
तो मैं सो आई वाज प्रॉब्ली द फर्स्ट एक्टर जो नॉन फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से, लाइक टेक्निकली नॉन फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से, जिसके पास 2 फिल्में थी तब. फिर देन आई गॉट इनटू टीवी.
Did you at any point think TV was a step down from film?
Initially I thought so.
Okay.
Because मेरा my passion was always films.
Right.
Because मेरी, like I told you that
Correct. Your
I
upbringing was
started
like
off
that.
like
Yeah,
my
yeah.
upbringing was like that. I thought it was a step down for me, but जब when I started off and उसके बाद जो recognition और fame मिला from my first show, कहीं तो होगा. And I mean आज तक लोग मुझे अक्षत बुलाते हैं from my first character.
Right.
And that show had very big names like Rajiv Khandelwal and Shabir was there. Lot of good actors were there. So I mean I think that was priceless.
Right.
वो recognition was priceless. You know, to be known for your work was priceless.
Right.
So that covered up all the you know
Doubts, yeah.
doubts जो मेरे में थे कि मैं step down कर रहा हूँ या कुछ कर रहा हूँ. So I think it was brilliant.
Okay.
And I said I got all the opportunities as an actor.
Right.
I romanced.
Right.
I danced around trees. I sang serenades to Surveen Chawla. So yeah, I did lots of things.
Right. I mean, how do you see the television industry now? I am not someone who's very keyed in, but जैसा कि आपने कहा, आप जब daily soaps कर रहे थे, that was the peak.
Yeah, it was a peak.
Then there was a little bit of a lull in the sense that the content changed a little bit. Stories went more into heartland India. फिर ये स्ट्रीमिंग का दौर आया. अब मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि स्ट्रीमिंग में भी अब एक तरह से वही हार्टलैंड में जा रहे हैं, and they are now doing like 50 episode 60 episode shows which are being uploaded every day. So what's the scene now right now in Indian
Honestly, I don't know,
television?
yaar. Because I left in 2019.
Right.
Is the time when, and that also मैंने इसलिए छोड़ा था तब क्योंकि I have nothing against TV. Like अगर आज भी मुझे कुछ अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा मिले तो मैं कर ही लूँगा.
Right.
मुझे वो ब्लॉक नहीं, बिकॉज मुझे अभी लग रहा है कि सारे मीडियम्स एक ही हो गए हैं अभी.
Yeah.
अभी सब कुछ एक लग रहा है मुझे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं लग रहा बिकॉज के ये करो या वो करो, बट इट्स अबाउट द रोल. आई वुड डू इट फॉर द रोल. बट जब मैंने 2019 में छोड़ा था ना, इट वॉज प्राइमरली क्योंकि आई वॉज टायर्ड.
Yeah, you wanted to quit acting.
I wanted to quit acting. I really wanted, because
how did you get there?
I got really tired
Okay.
of doing the same thing over and over again.
Right.
And कहीं ना कहीं वो इतनी एज एन एक्टर मुझे ना बहुत एग्जॉशन हो गई थी कि कंटेंट वाइज एग्जॉशन हो गई थी. आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद द कंटेंट विच वॉज आई वॉज डूइंग. एंड तो मुझे सफोकेशन लग रही थी. तो आई सेड यार इसके बाद क्या, मैं ये तो नहीं कर सकता, मैं मर रहा हूँ एज एन एक्टर.
Right.
I felt I was dying as an actor. I had taken 10 steps back. I had gone into a shell. कि मुझे नहीं करना. मैं तो रेडी था कि बिहाइंड द सीन्स वर्क चालू कर दूँ. बिकॉज ऐसे चलो MBA किया हुआ है, I can use that.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong. Like you know, I can get into something. तो मैंने अपने एक दोस्त को फ़ोन किया था actually, and he was my producer. He said you're not done. He encouraged me. He said you're not done. You have a lot to give. You're a brilliant actor. You have a lot to give. And I hung in there. And as luck would have it, I cracked my first OTT show.
Right.
Hush Hush with Tanuja Chandra.
Right.
So,
Can you just elaborate a little bit when you say creatively you were stifled? What exactly is that?
I mean, TV में ना कुछ तकिया कलाम होते हैं
जी.
जो बहुत यूज़ होते हैं, जैसे which I also went through. कि भाई ये एक्टर नहीं है तो ये रिप्लेसमेंट में आया है, इसकी प्लास्टिक सर्जरी होगी, है वो आदमी. फिर उसको जस्टिफिकेशन में, मतलब आप एक्चुअली ऑडियंसेस को क्या समझते हो कि वो नहीं समझते. यू नो, सो एंड वो इतना, तो आई वाज आस्क्ड टू एक्ट लाइक दैट एक्टर आल्सो.
Right.
एंड व्हिच आई couldn't digest. बिकॉज मैं एक्टर हूँ यार, मैं मिमिक आर्टिस्ट नहीं हूँ.
हाँ.
I was never, and I'm not a good mimic actor. Like, you know, many actors
Right.
can mimic other actors. I'm not that kind. I'm a purist in that form. मेरे से मिमिक्री होती नहीं किसी की. But so I found it very tough.
Okay.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहा हूँ मेरे टैलेंट पे, कि मैं कोई और बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, कोई और इंसान बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. And not true to the character, but true to the person. There's a big difference. Like, you know, because that guy is that the way he is in real life as well.
Right.
He's just playing himself on screen. You're asking me to play him,
Right.
right? So that is something I couldn't digest.
Okay.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, वही सेम प्लास्टिक सर्जरी का ड्रामा जो इतने सालों से चला आ रहा है, वही सेम मेरे साथ अभी हो रहा है. तो थोड़ा डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुआ था.
So now in 2019 when you hit a reboot button, what do you do differently?
There's a lot of internal journey.
Okay.
lot of unlearning.
Okay.
बहुत हुई मेरी. मैं बहुत I went on a creative stuff. I started drawing a lot, painting a lot. I started making furniture at home. तब तो फिर कोविड भी हिट हो गया, तो वैसे भी कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे थे, बट मैंने क्रिएटिवली अपने आप को बहुत ऑक्यूपाई रखा.
Okay.
सो उससे क्या हुआ ना कि I could feel that वो creative energy flowing in me again. फिर then I started watching a lot of videos on acting.
Okay.
A lot of films I started watching. तो उसमें से काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन मुझे मिली. बहुत से एक्टर स्टूडियोज़ के मैंने इंटरव्यूज देखता था मैं, तो उससे काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन मिली कि यू नो then I started rebuilding my passion.
Right.
तो तब मुझे एक जैसे लगा कि no, I can do this.
Right.
You know, I should do this. I'm not done. फिर like I said, I met this friend of mine. तो उसने मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर किया.
Okay.
I can really owe a lot to him.
Right.
So he said that you're not done. You have a lot to give.
You said something very interesting. You're not a good mimic. You're an actor.
Yeah.
Right. But when someone wants to be, at least I'm assuming this, कि जब कोई actor बनना चाहता है, there is a something in your mind, right, where you want to be like this person. Or even as an actor, you're portraying other people's lives.
Yep.
So there is a element of mimicry, कह लीजिए, या एक reproduction of something that you're doing. If you're, let's say for example, you're playing a business person, you look at other business people and try and ape them to a certain extent to want to be like them.
So see, there's a difference between अगर आपको बायोग्राफी करनी है,
Right.
like what Ranbir Kapoor did for Sanju.
Right.
He had to pick up the mannerism.
Correct.
But that is characterization.
Right.
He took to the character of Sanju.
Right.
मतलब that is a different thing. You know, वो एक स्टोरी है जो एक कैरेक्टर को ड्राइव कर रही है. आप अभी टेलीविजन में वो बहुत से एक्टर्स अपने आप को ही प्ले करते हैं.
Right.
वो अपने आप अपनी पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब से ही रोल करते हैं.
Okay.
राइट. इट्स नॉट लाइक उतना टाइम मिलता ही नहीं
Correct,
कैरेक्टर में
yeah.
जाने के लिए. तुम क्या करोगे?
Right. I'm assuming they're being cast also because of that.
Yeah, because they're good actors, they're being cast, ताकि वो मतलब they can do everything on screen.
Right.
So वो अलग हो जाता है. Like if you see, if you take all the good actors who played characters on biographies, वो अलग हो जाता है. फिर वो आपको you pick up certain things.
जी.
जैसे how Vicky Kaushal picked up from Sam Manekshaw. He took up mannerisms.
Yeah.
But that is different. That mannerisms मैं pick up. But mimicking somebody completely, क्योंकि वो इंसान वैसा ही है, वो थोड़ा अलग है. वो एक
Losing a bit of your identity.
वो एक मतलब तुम हो ही नहीं ना, वो तुम कैरेक्टर हो ही नहीं ना,
जी.
तुम इंसान हो फिर वो.
Yeah.
There's a difference.
Okay.
So but if you're playing something like a proper historical character, then if you have a you know, तुम्हें आइडिया है कि उसकी जर्नी कैसी रही है, उसके रिकॉर्डिंग्स हैं आपके पास,
Right.
फिर आप पिकअप करते हो वहाँ से, आप कर सकते हो.
Okay.
Yeah.
So at what point do you change your name? You went by Chaitanya early on in your life. Now you're Dhruv. Does this also happen around 2019?
No, this happened very recently, last year.
Okay. So tell us why that happened.
So there was a inner calling somewhere that I felt like so Chaitanya was something that name is obviously me.
Right.
Right.
But your parents gave you.
never, what
Yeah.
my parents gave me, but I was never happy with the name.
Okay.
Because in school, my teachers used to not be able to pronounce it. They used to call me Chaitanya.
Oh, really?
Then in college, they used to call me Chetan. The worst was that my first day of MBA college, my roll call is being called out, and the professor, he goes, Chintamani. So that I was like, I think I should change. But yeah, so then I actually got used to it.
Okay.
And I said, then I gave up. I said, no. But then there was some kind of a thing that, it started coming within me that I needed to change. It was not as per astrology.
Okay.
It was not as per astrology. I verified it as per astrology.
Alright.
But I got the calling for the name Dhruv
Okay.
a lot. There's a lot of deep meaning to the name as well, which I always wanted. And that name kept on appearing to me,
Okay.
like as if there was a message that, and it still appears in front of me.
Acha.
Like recently, I did a episodic on OTT. Again, one of the characters was Dhruv.
Acha.
And it's a very unconventional name. You don't see it in normal TV or
Right,
scripts or
right.
something. You
Yeah.
have a Ravi or Rahul
Yeah.
or, Ashish or something, Akash. But you never find a Dhruv. It's not very common.
Very common, yeah.
Yeah.
ध्रुव के मायने क्या होते हैं?
It's a North Star.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yeah, it's a North Star.
All right.
So it's spiritually also, it has a lot of, like, they say that your soul passes through the North Star
Okay.
once you pass away.
You've spoken, this is the second time you brought up the inner calling. Like the first time was, like you said, in 2019.
Yeah.
There was an inherent voice inside you that wanted you to be more creative.
Yeah.
This is a particular name that you said
Yeah.
keep coming back to you. Where are you spiritually? How do you, like, what is that one thing that centers you?
I'm very spiritual as a person. I've always been.
Okay.
Always understood life as a very different, I see things very differently.
Did you grow up in a spiritual or a religious household? Okay.
I'm the only spiritual person in my family. So I was more like, people are wondering that ye kahan se nikal gaya spiritually. But yeah, actually my journey started as I lost a friend of mine in a bike crash.
Okay.
So I questioned the meaning of life.
When was this?
This was in 2002, I believe.
Okay.
2002.
You were quite young at that point.
Yeah. 2001, 2002. So that's when I questioned myself that, okay, why we here?
Right.
Everything is destroyed in a second, तो purpose क्या है life का? तो तब से मेरे question answers शुरू हुए life को. So then I started getting into spirituality, started understanding. I had good teachers on the way. I have a spiritual guru now, so I'm very happy. मतलब guru मिलना बहुत मुश्किल की बात होती है. So I've been very fortunate that I found somebody.
Do you meditate?
I meditate every day.
There's a lot of misconception around spirituality, right? People confuse it sometimes with अंधभक्ति कह देते हैं जिसको या superstition कह लेते हैं. For you, what is if you had to describe spirituality?
I think spirituality is as simple as connecting with yourself.
Okay.
हम सब में आत्मा है, हम सब सोल्स, हम सब परमात्मा का अंश हैं. तो एक तरह से हम भी परमात्मा ही हैं. बस हम वो परमात्मा जो हमारे अंदर है उसको भूल जाते हैं. हम ये बाहर से जो दिमाग चलता है हमारा और बाहर के एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं उसको हम we think that's us.
Okay.
ठीक है, but that's not really what us. Actually we all are same. कोई फर्क ही नहीं है ना. हम सब में कोई फर्क नहीं है. ये तो हमने रिलीजन्स बनाए हुए हैं,
जी.
ये एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स बनाई हुई हैं जो हमें डिफाइन करते हैं, सोसाइटी बनाई हुई है जो हमें, बट एसेंशियली जो मेन चीज़ है हमारे अंदर जो सोल है
जी
तो सेम ही है ना.
जी.
तो हम क्यों अलग सोचते हैं एक दूसरे के बारे में, क्यों नेगेटिव सोचते हैं एक दूसरे के बारे में, क्यों एक दूसरे से बैर रखते हैं, क्यों नहीं प्यार करते? क्योंकि तुम मैं हूँ और मैं तुम हो एक्चुअली.
Do you think that helps you channel other characters that you play? Because in a sense, if I may use the word, you're channeling or playing other souls when you're playing other characters, right?
Yeah.
Do you think that helps in that or not?
Yes, spirituality, actually it has it helps you understand deeply.
Okay.
आप ना बहुत डीप सोचते हो.
Alright.
जब आप एक स्पिरिचुअल इंसान होते हैं ना, आप एक कैरेक्टर में जब जाते हो तो आप कैरेक्टर की तह में जाते हो कि उसकी थिंकिंग क्या होगी, उसके एक्सपीरियंसेस क्या थे, उसकी जर्नी क्या थी. तो या इन अ वे इट डज हेल्प.
Okay.
It does help to understand
Okay.
who this person was.
Right. So 2019 onwards, then 2020, you said you focus more on OTT platforms, doing films and TVs shows which are OTT. How has that journey been now?
Oh, it's been brilliant, I think. I mean, I think I had a good start with Hush Hush with Tanuja Chandra.
Okay,
Tanuja Chandra ma'am is somebody who I value a lot because उन्होंने मुझे इतना encourage किया था. Means she sat me down. उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि चैतन्य, you have it in you. Saying just go on, don't give up. She really encouraged me, and I still did regard her a lot. You know, she's somebody who I really regard, and I think, you know, that encouragement just pushed me forward.
Right.
Then I landed Sukhi after that. So Sukhi was my next project.
Right. With Shilpa Shetty.
With Shilpa Shetty. And that film was brilliant, turned out pretty well. So I think the journey has been good, like somebody coming from television. मतलब इतना करना, मतलब I think it's...
What's the one major difference you feel doing stuff for OTT as compared to traditional television?
Again, like I said, preparation.
Okay.
आपकी involvement ज़्यादा होती है. As an actor, you get more time to prepare, and that satisfies you as an actor. क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है कि तुमने मेहनत कितनी की है. तुम्हें पता है कि तुमने उस किरदार पे, जब तुम उसको स्क्रीन पे देखते हो ना, तुम्हें लगता है कि तुमने कुछ अचीव किया है. You know, you feel happy about it. Okay. Or even if you fail, at least you know that, you know, कि क्या गलत किया है.
Right.
And it's for posterity.
Right.
टेलीविजन के एपिसोड चले जाते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता, भूल जाते हो कि 100 एपिसोड पहले क्या हुआ था. बट ये जो चीजें हैं, they are for posterity. You'll see them later on also.
I forgot to ask you, how did your friends and family react to your name change?
Oh, my mother was like Punjabi mom, so she was like clearly chilling Punjabi. Eki kita. What did you do?
Yeah.
Friends, my close friends call me from my pet name, so it didn't make much difference to them anyways. But yeah, professionally, जो my industry के दोस्त हैं, they all still call me Chaitanya. सब उनके मुंह से निकल आता है.
Of course.
And I have to correct them that भाई अभी change हो गया, ध्रुव हो गया.
Yeah.
So yeah, it takes some time. I have to keep on reminding them. अरे पहले तो मुझे ही accept करने में time लग गया था.
Yeah, when someone calls Dhruv, you have to remind yourself calling me.
So somebody had very recently called me Dhruv and I didn't react. वो था भाई तूने ही नाम चेंज किया तेरा ही नाम है ना अभी. मैंने कहा हाँ. I said give me some time. I'm also getting used to it.
So you said you've also done graphic design.
Yeah.
You were ready to work behind the scenes as well.
Yeah.
You're also a musician.
I'm a singer.
You're a singer.
Aspiring singer.
Okay. So how much of your life do you dedicate to the music?
Every day.
Really?
Every day.
Okay.
I do my riyaz. I've been learning classical for 1.5 years now.
Okay.
So I have written songs also. I've composed them also.
Right.
So I'm just waiting for the right...
Yeah, when is the album coming?
So I'm waiting. I'm preparing for it. I think एक तो होता है ना कि you have to be confident about yourself.
Right.
So when I feel my voice is ready, that I can bring it to the world,
Right.
I think that's the time I will bring it out.
Okay.
Abhi to I'm just preparing. Just
Can I request you to sing 2 lines for us? I don't know if you're prepared for this.
I'm not prepared for this. What can I sing for you?
कोई भी जो अभी आपका गाने आपके दिमाग में अभी चल रहा है या a recent favorite you had.
हो महफिल में तेरी हम ना रहे तो गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है, किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है, ना 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 ना. सुबह हो को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया, चन्ना मेरे या Chan. I think that's enough.
Yeah, please, a round of applause, guys. We did not tell him he would have to do this. Off the cuff इन्होंने गाया, बड़ा अच्छा गाया.
I was totally unprepared.
Yes, you're totally unprepared. Thank you so much for that. What's coming up in the near future for you?
So I have a show on Netflix coming up. It's called Shak. It's directed by Renzel De Silva.
Oh, nice.
And it's got an ensemble cast.
Okay.
So yeah, it's something which I'm looking forward to.
You work with good filmmakers.
Yes, I have. I have. I want to tell people I have. See the kind of work I've done.
So yeah, Netflix again.
Netflix again.
The primary OTT platform right now. But yeah, we'll keep a lookout on for Shak, and we between takes you were telling me there's a interesting piece of trivia about your dad.
About my dad,
that
yes.
you would like to share with us. Can you tell us?
So my dad expired in COVID during 2021,
Right.
and so in the film Sukhi, there's a scene where I lose my parents in an accident. So I'm in college, and I get a call that both your parents have died. So it was my director's idea, and it was very fresh that time. It was just 5-6 months since my dad had expired. So she placed my dad's photograph there in that scene. So in Sukhi, it's my father's photograph, which I'm crying in front of. That's my father's photograph. Yeah. So that was the best way I think I could honor him.
Right.
From my side.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
that I could, like, yeah,
That's
keep him there for posterity.
yeah.
Sorry.
And now it's captured on camera for eternity.
Yeah.
So yeah, Dhruv, thank you so much
Yeah.
for spending so much time with us. Rather emotional note to end on.
Yes,
मुझे लगा था कि कोई ऐसे हंसी मजाक वाली चीज होगी, but ये बहुत ही emotionally gut-wrenching चीज थी. But anything that you're watching or experiencing right now, like something that you want to recommend to our viewers? I know after that it's a little
No, it's absolutely
frivolous
fine.
question to
It's
ask.
part of life.
But like you said that you seem like someone who doesn't like to sit idle. I feel like you're someone who constantly wants to keep churning in your brain something creative.
Yeah, that is
Because कोई
true.
आदमी अगर बैठ के फर्नीचर बना रहा है सिर्फ क्रिएटिव होने के लिए.
No, I have so many projects lined up at home also right now.
Right.
I have my outside the house I had made a board.
Okay.
So I have to do that up. I have a painting left to finish for my mom's room. So which is just lying in a corner. So I have a lot of projects going on at the same time.
Right. But what's the last thing you've seen or you've musically you've heard that you would like to that had a great impact on you?
I just absorb from everything. Yeah, you know, like I mean, more recently I can just talk about Dhurinder. I think it has had a great impact on me.
Okay.
I mean, I love the way, and Akshay Khanna, man, that man, oh my God, what an inspiration.
Yeah.
I mean, his aura was, oh my God, oh my God. I mean, every actor in that film was great, but Akshay Khanna, the way he carried himself, like if I think of, as an actor, if I'm saying Rahman the Cat, I just can think of him.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is something which has really impacted me recently. Like I think it was brilliant. It was such a brilliantly made film. I'm a big fan of Aditya Dhar.
Right.
For the film. I mean, I'm waiting for the second. I want to work with him. I want to work with him. I'm like putting it out in the universe. That,
Nice.
I want to work with him.
Okay. Hopefully, Aditya Dhar, if you're watching this, we had Naveen Kaushik who plays Donga in the film, who looks very similar to me for some reason. लोग मुझे message कर रहे थे कि धुरंधर में तो बताया भी नहीं. So we had a lot of fun when he was on the show. But yeah, we hope that you scale even higher heights.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for spending so much time with us.
Thank you so much.
Singing without having given you a warning and sharing the very emotional story about your dad with us. We hope to have you again next time. Probably you're here.
Sure.
We'll talk about Shak and a lot more.
Sure.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you. Pleasure. Hi, this is Dhruv. I've had a wonderful conversation with Abbas. So please like, share this video and subscribe to the comment section.